Thank you all for this introduction. And yes, you're right. 1 year ago, we did announce this building interest group creation, but actually we start with few companies which are present in this room, maybe 2 years ago, to talk about we need some long-range communication because what is available today on the market, according to the technology, are not delivering what we are waiting for. And so what can be the solution to select what can be the way to move forward, what can be the way to make it a standards. And at this time, we met, few of us, and we started to work all together. And basically, we went to DECT Forum very quickly, because some of them were already a member of DECT Forum. Some of them used to work a lot since a while. Wirepass, for example, doing NR plus standards at VHC level. So yes, it was in February last year. We did announce this building interest group creation. And today I am very glad to see what we are going to be able to measure at the end of this event, which is a demo. This is a worldwide demo we are doing between device manufacturers using NR plus technology. So in 1 year, we did already a lot, but it is not enough. And we have to continue to work in this field in order to make it clearly a standard. So what we do inside inside the DECT Forum, it is to work and to promote NR+. Because according to what we are talking inside the DECT Forum, we need to come to ETSI in order to highlight something which are missing, something which need to be clarified. And so there is always a link between ETSI and DECT Forum in order to make a linkment between our needs as a device manufacturer using this technology and what is available as a standard. We also have, because you know, NR Plus is running in 1.9 gigahertz frequency band, and this frequency band is not open everywhere in the world compared to 2.4 gigahertz. So we have to also work with some regulator and so on in order to make sure that this frequency band is becoming available worldwide. Yes, it is not yet worldwide, but we can play with a lot of countries already. So, but we are working in this way to promote it. Then we have also to promote NR+, globally speaking, as an IoT solution and a large-scale adoption as an IoT solution. And for sure, the next slide will deliver you what we are working and why we are welcoming you to become a DECT Forum member, because we need energy, we need the resources to speed up our work. Ensure multi-vendor interoperability, it will be something we are going to describe in the next slide. And of course, we want to make it a clear ecosystem with multiple device providers and not only the one you can see here in the screen. So the building interest group actually is done with 3 subgroups, 3 pillars. So I am glad to chair this building interest group, but we have 3 other groups. One is the technology subgroup, which is led by Laurie Piwicki, who is in the room. Where are you, Laurie? Yes. So Laurie from Nordic is leading this group. So NR+ is good. NR+ is IP-based, and we are going to talk about it during the panel discussion. However, we need to go to IP. And at the ETSI standard level, nothing is defined in order to go to IP network, to go to Ethernet, to go to Internet. So what we are working in this technology subgroup, at least it is the definition of the border router we have to implement, because as other technology, which are IP-based, we need to go to Internet somewhere. We need, again, to go to Ethernet. So the border router is very important to define, and this is a job in progress under the leadership of Laurie. First group, technology. Second group, marketing. Today, which is led by Rol. Thank you for doing this leadership role also. But the marketing is here in order to promote. Actually, thank you also the marketing subgroup to prepare this event, because it is a job to be done through the marketing subgroup. So the goal is to define and to explain, to educate, to promote and to make sure that everybody understands correctly what is the goal of NR+ technology and the way to go to the market. The first subgroup, it is the certification. So if we want to make NR+ a success, if we want to make NR+ a brand which is recognized, if we want to make NR+ logo a quality stamp on the device, we need to make sure interoperability is working and need to make sure interoperability is real at the transport layer, because again, this is a transport layer technology. So currently, this is a subgroup led by Ben Hitz. Where are you, Ben, from Schneider Electric? Thank you for also taking this role. And we want to go fast. You will see later our timeline. But the goal is to deliver a complete certification program with test lab. And we are working with ETL, with some test lab, I would say, to become ETL, so authorized test lab, to certify a platform, to certify a device. So what does it mean? As a device manufacturer, I will go to the certification program to certify my end device and to get the stamp. But if I am a silicon vendor, and if I am a stack provider, I have to go also to the certification program to certify the platform, because the device manufacturer will select a platform which is running on the top of a silicon and with a stack inside. So this is exactly what this program is under progress, I would say, and the goal is to deliver, maybe I can say that by the end of the year. So this is a very challenging process. But again, I think there is no other slide behind this one, but these three pillars are essential to make it a success. And again, this is becoming a standard only if we have multiple solutions as a device manufacturer. So a device manufacturer is always looking for multiple silicon vendor, multiple stack provider in order to make sure this is becoming adopted by the industry, and so the cost will decrease, and so we can address what our customers are waiting for. We do our best, but we need more people joining this initiative, so you are more than welcome, but we are here to convince you to join and to participate. I think I am done.